Yeah, they're both burning out at the same time. So they are twins then. But I got this one later, and this one worked for like 7 years or 6. I think 5 actually. And that's a lot of years. None of them worked that long. Not even my newer ones. Ah, gotta make him walk. Or else he's gonna go to sleep. The twins. The orange one's in the kitchen. Oh, the Pokeball. The red one. It's not moving now already. Ah. Oh, it hit him. Greenie's dead. Again. Because he's not doing this. That's all. 1. I think that means 1 minute left of him going until he's dead. I thought it was burned out. The twins are both doing that